We are pleased to show you the 2016 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.